Hi, so today I will help you with finding out your art style. So it's a pretty big thing. And by the end of this video, we'll able to go and get your art style. So I've been drawing for like a year and a half now, and I've made a decent progress. And I just want to tell you stuff that I know, okay? So you can make faster progress, easier and better. Now, I remember whenever I started drawing, okay? So I would hear about art style, what it is. At the beginning, I didn't even know what's an art style. But, then I quickly heard it, okay? Because like everyone's talking about it. And I was wondering, well, will be that time that I'll get my, I'll get my art style. Because I thought it was like, in Harry Potter, you become assigned to like Gryffindor or whatever. I was thinking that that's the same with art style. But I was drawing, okay, and I was still waiting, like what's an art style? Maybe I don't have an art style. And you can probably relate with those thoughts that, you don't really have an art style or your art style is bad. But what I quickly realized is that you cannot wait for art style. It's not something that magically, comes up. It's not like, you get this hat and now you're assigned an art style. No. It's not like that. What I realized and what actually gave me a hope and actually helped me a lot was that it's not something that you get randomly, okay? But it's something you have to work on, okay, to get it. That's what really ticked something in my brain and I started to understand. The art style is actually a long process, okay? And probably is for your whole life, for your whole artistic journey, like finding out your art style. And why is that? And for me, I think it's because it's something that you gotta train, that you gotta work on. And it's not a destination really, but it's the journey, okay? It's, like the road that you're going on. So now, how to actually, get an art style, how to actually, work on it. So first is actually observing, okay? And what I realized is don't just look at art and then you'll get your art style, okay? It doesn't work like that. How it works is you observe the pieces, the art styles, the artworks, the artists that you really like. And then what you can do is observe how they draw. And also like don't observe just one artist, but observe multiple artists. Because if you will be observing from one artist, okay, you will be just a copycat of him. And you don't really want that, okay? What you want to do is observe from many artists, as many as you can. You can do even as specific as, you like how this artist draws eyes, okay? And from that, you like how he draws noses. And from that, maybe how she draws mouths, okay? Or whatever, like clothes and stuff. Just go and look for artists and all the things that you like about their art. And, maybe it's even like environment, okay? How they draw clouds and stuff. You can really, look at many artists as you can, as you want, okay? And maybe you just want a couple of them, okay? Because what you don't want to do is like have really weird art style, okay? So like you like those anime eyes, but you like this full realistic lips, okay? And now it like doesn't really go well. Maybe you can pull it off, but but make this art style of yours, okay? Look at those and try to combine them, okay? So like make them coherent. Now let's go to the other thing is, okay, you observe, okay? You now see how the artist draws. You see what you like. So now go and study that. What I mean is, if you like those eyes that this artist draws, okay, just try to copy that, okay? Maybe put a little bit of your sauce, okay, on that and practice that. Draw a multiple of them. Like go on the Instagram of an artist and take like all the pictures, okay, like screenshot them and try to study of, how they draw. You can even combine like a couple of artists and how they draw eyes. You can go like, okay, like I like the way this artist draws eyelashes, so I'm gonna practice that. I like how this artist draws, I don't know, like pupil, irises. Go and practice that and just practice the things that you actually like, okay? And maybe you can even combine those practices, okay? So you're drawing faces. Let's say you have a reference for eyes, okay, for nose and for mouths and for head, okay? So you can like take eyes from this artist, take mouth from this, like the head shape and stuff from other artists. You can combine that in those studies, okay? You can maybe lighting, okay, whatever. And with studying those actually things, you'll get the muscle memory, okay, and also the mental library in your brain. So now you know how to draw those stuff, okay? Now you also know what you like, and now the only step left is to actually implement those stuff, okay? So now what I mean is start drawing and keep in mind the stuff that you like, the stuff that you practice, okay? And just put it onto your drawings. And from now on, it's pretty much your art style, okay? And also one disclaimer, don't just copy one-to-one, okay, artists, okay? Maybe you like the way they're drawing eyes, but still put like a little bit of spin, okay, of your sauce. And obviously take inspiration of many artists. And literally all those things that you'll, practice and observe will become the new baseline of your drawings. So from that point, after you practice, after you implement it, okay, in your drawings and stuff, now if you start a piece, okay, you'll draw the eyes in the way of, the drawings, the artists that you were looking at. So that's really interesting for me, and that's what I realized. So to be honest, the more stuff you do, the more, studies of other artists you'll do that you obviously like, the faster you learn your art style. And obviously from that point, okay, when you know how you like to draw eyes, how you like to draw a body and a hair, okay, backgrounds, lighting, poses and stuff, from now on what you can do, if you figure it out, now you can just improve that. And also like a bonus tip at the end, what you can also do is, okay, like have even like, I don't know, mood boards on Puref and stuff of like all the artists you like. So you can have like each day you just look at it, okay, you just admire it, and it will give you like inspiration. But also what it will do is it will, burn itself into your brain, okay, like how the art looks. Now, if you feel stuck actually in making progress in art, okay, or improving, and you want help with that, top link in the description below. I do coachings, so I can coach you. I can tell you exactly what you need to do to improve. And also there will be available courses. So I can actually do like a full in-depth, really good courses that you'll learn like how to draw faces, how to like become more productive as an artist. And you can learn also from that. So top link in the description below. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed, if you learned something, leave a like, leave a comment. Maybe you have your own ways to actually getting art style, or maybe you have a completely different vision of that. Okay, so I would like to hear that. And thank you for watching. And now what you can do is implement all those stuff and try it for yourself, so you won't waste time watching more YouTube. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye.